Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add dimensions in the Z-axis. Dimensioning objects in three-dimensional drawings can sometimes be challenging because standard dimensions are typically placed on the current drawing plane. When working with 3D models in AutoCAD, you may find that dimensions do not align correctly with vertical surfaces or the Z-axis. One effective solution is to temporarily align the user coordinate system, UCS, with the face of the 3D object you want to dimension. This allows AutoCAD to treat that surface as the active working plane, making it possible to place dimensions accurately. In a 3D drawing, AutoCAD uses three coordinate axes: X-axis, horizontal direction; Y-axis, vertical direction on the drawing plane; Z-axis, height or depth direction. Standard dimensions are usually created on the current XY drawing plane. When measuring height or depth, the dimension may not align correctly unless the working plane is adjusted. What is UCS? UCS stands for User Coordinate System. The UCS determines the orientation of the drawing plane, the direction of the X, Y, and Z axes, and how dimensions and drawing tools behave. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the 3D drawing that contains the object you want to dimension. You may find that dimensions work normally on horizontal surfaces, but not on faces aligned with the Z-axis. Why this happens, AutoCAD is still using the current UCS, which may not be aligned with the surface you want to dimension. Click inside the command line. The UCS command is most commonly accessed through the command line. Type UCS, then press Enter. AutoCAD displays various UCS options. Choose Face from the available options. The Face option aligns the UCS with a selected face of a 3D solid. Why is this useful? It temporarily turns that face into the active working plane. Click on the face of the 3D object where you want to place dimensions. Result: the selected face now behaves like the current drawing plane. Dimensions can now be placed correctly relative to that surface. Go to the Dimensions tools. AutoCAD prompts you to select measurement points. Click the first point you want to measure. An extension point marks one end of the distance being measured. Click the second point. Result: AutoCAD calculates the distance between the 2 points. Move the cursor to position the dimension, then click to place it. The dimension now aligns correctly with the face and can represent measurements along the Z-axis direction. Because the UCS was aligned to the face, AutoCAD interprets that surface as the active plane for dimensioning. Professional CAD users frequently adjust the UCS when working with 3D models, because many drafting and dimensioning tools depend on the active coordinate system. Additional tip: after completing your dimensions, you can return the UCS to its normal orientation if needed by resetting it to the World Coordinate System, WCS. What you just accomplished: you opened a 3D drawing, started the UCS command, selected the face option, aligned the UCS to a solid face, started the dimension command, chose extension points, added dimensions aligned with the Z-axis direction. Why this technique is important: changing the UCS to match a 3D face allows dimensions to be placed accurately on surfaces that would otherwise be difficult to measure using the default coordinate system. To summarize, adding dimensions along the Z-axis in AutoCAD begins by opening the 3D drawing and typing UCS into the command line. After pressing Enter, select the face option and choose a face of the 3D solid object. AutoCAD aligns the user coordinate system with that surface, effectively making it the active drawing plane. Next, start the dimension command and specify the first and second extension points. Once the dimension is placed, AutoCAD displays the measurement correctly on the selected face, allowing you to dimension heights and other Z-axis related distances that would be difficult to measure using the default UCS. And that's how to add dimensions in the Z-axis in AutoCAD. By aligning the UCS with the face of your 3D object, you make it much easier to place accurate dimensions on vertical and angled surfaces. This is a fundamental technique when creating professional 3D documentation and engineering drawings. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.